is another installment of Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero, and we're right here in Halfway Tree at the Winchester Business Center, and we're surprising our July 2017 Unsung Heroine. We're actually on our way to the office right now. Look at this. Hello everyone, I'm from Live Well Jamaica, and Miss Yvonne Nelson is our July 2017 recipient of the Unsung Heroine Award. So you got this award because you are the chairperson for the Red Cross Care Committee. Yes, and not only that, you're also Usan's mentor. Somebody who gives him strength, who he relies on for strength, and he thinks you're most deserving of this award.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Ms. Usan Macri, I am the Assistant Secretary / Public Relations Officer at the Jamaica Red Cross. I met Ms. Nelson in 2015. Subsequent to our meeting, I've watched her on the sideline in terms of how she helps persons, and based on those characteristics, those led to why I nominated her to become the July recipient for the Unsung Hero. She is truly a remarkable human being. She's also my mentor. I wanted to tell her thanks, and this I saw fit as the perfect way in doing so. Thank you, Ms. Nelson. I love you. Continue doing what you're doing. God bless.
My name is Yvonne Nelson. I'm the chairperson for the care section at the Jamaica Red Cross. And Jamaica Red Cross is so wide, and the care section is very wide. We interact with the elderly, those are some shut-ins, and even street people. And every February we have a Super-Tan Day, and every September is Senior Citizens Month, and we take them out. Either we go to Rockford or some other places, and every December we bring them back to the branch and a Christmas dinner and gift packages. Some of us, and we work as a family.
Yes.
And in the care section, I am the chairman, I have a vice chair, I have a secretary, and I have an assistant.
So what
Our mission is to preserve life, protect life, and help the most vulnerable, which is children and senior citizens.
Yes, so from
We visit, right? We visit the shut-ins, those persons who cannot help themselves. We go, we come, we do manicure, pedicure. We come here, we do these little things, and we assist them in whatever way we can. Sometimes we just sit and talk with them. And on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, we have food delivered to them. Every day. Food cooked at the branch, which is at 76 Arnold Road. We cook food there for every day, 100 persons. Food delivered daily.
So
If somebody need help, we assist. So
yes.
on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, over 80 persons. It's not every month we go out there, but we as often as we can. Okay, my time, I used to work with Child Development Agency. At first it was Ministry of Health. And they sent persons from Red Cross to do the training in first aid and CPR, because at the time we deal with children, so we have to be trained. And the person that came is Mr. Glaston Adams. At the end of the training, he invited us to be a part of Jamaica Red Cross. And we said we are going to see what it is like. We went there, three of us, Sharon Murphy, Pauline Soledad, and myself. We went there and I became so engulfed with it. I just love it. But my aim is to help persons. No matter where I am, I have to help. And I put myself as a volunteer. And I was trained in first aid, CPR, mass casualty, home care nursing, you name it. And I'm a shelter manager as well. that's all that is a part of the Red Cross. And I just love it.
Yeah.
Being a volunteer, what strikes me most is that when I help an elderly person or a shut in and they say thank you, God bless you, I felt so good inside. So I continue and I am there from 89.
I was just about to ask you how many years.
Yes, from 89, and I'm still growing. It really.
What was your role then?
Just a volunteer.
Yes, but you were
And
more committed.
Right, I started to be the chairman from 2007.
Yes. Chairman for
The care section.
The care committee. What are the other committees?
Well, we have emergency, we have youth, we have membership and public relation, and the general. Thank Live Well Jamaica for this award, and I also want to thank the sponsors, which is DW Floral, Tesson Mowat, and Gavin Dennis, to sponsor me, to think of me as the July recipients, and I am grateful for that. Giving thanks to Unsung too, I am grateful.
That's it for this installment of Live Well Jamaica's Unsung Hero. We are looking forward to your nomination and tell us your favorite unsung hero. Email info@livewellja.com. I'm Ashley Ann Mott. Until next time, live in peace, live in love, live well Jamaica.